Dried flowers rock. You can never kill these things. Your children can only just... These overalls were hand-me-downs from my sister and I love them. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this cleaning video. I am excited to just jam to my music and to clean. If you follow me and you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am religious about getting rid of toxins in my house, in my life, in my food. But right now we're talking about home non-toxic products. Just know that when you are using toxic products, you are inhaling them through your nose. They are latching to your organs, to your cells, to everything in your body, causing a lot of harm. We are a family of 4 and we live in a very small space. I'm in the process of decluttering my house, but before I do all of that, it just needs to be cleaned. So today we are doing my non-toxic clean with me video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and comment below if you have any tips on organizing and keeping small spaces clean. That's the only way that I have learned to do what I do now, so I desperately need your advice. And enjoy my cleaning video. First things first, my tunes.
We have a rather small kitchen, which is totally fine. I am not complaining one bit. I do love everything about my space and my kitchen, but it does get cluttered very easily if I'm not careful. So I try to have as minimal appliances as possible. Yes, I do have a juicer, but I thought it was a necessity and I've used it so much so far. Besides that, I try to keep everything very minimal. Dishes I do once a day. If I don't use them in the frame of 2 weeks, I get rid of it. So I try to have strict policies, strict rules so that it can stay clean. Because, you know, a clean kitchen just means a clean house. Do you agree with that? Leave a comment below if you agree. I just feel like the kitchen is the center point of a home. Again, showing you that I'm using Branch Basics non-toxic cleaners on literally everything. It's all I use. This is their bathroom spray that gets extra bacteria, extra grime. I use it in the sink, and then I just use the all-purpose spray on my counters. Here is our one drawer for silverware and any of my cooking utensils, spoons, tongs. One cabinet for our pots and pans, again, very minimal. One cabinet for appliances and baby bottles. And one cabinet for our plates, bowls, and cups. Ah, my Berkey, my beloved water filter. This will come and stay with me in every single kitchen we are in. I love this thing. Here is our living room. It's not that bad because I had to tidy it last night before a babysitter got there, but normally this is our most cluttered and lived in area. So I try to keep it very minimal. As you can see, one shoebox in the corner, 2 cubbies for toys, 1 basket for remotes, no table, no ottoman. Obviously, I'm always just picking up things, and that just, it sounds like it would just be more clutter in this small space. As for the decor in this room, it is a work in progress. I pretty much just put whatever I had up when we first moved in here, but I can't wait to make it more warm, get some more earthy tones in there, and honestly just make it a little bit more welcoming and inviting. Let me know what you think. If you have any ideas for this room, I would love to hear them.
The Dyson was dead. I had it plugged in all night, but the actual outlet was loose, so it didn't charge. So we're gonna let it charge while Mama eats some lunch. As you'll see in my kitchen segment, I had this out and I just left it here. It's the soup that I made this morning, so I'm just gonna eat a little bit of it with quinoa and just chill for like 10 minutes, enjoy a slow lunch by myself, and then we'll get back to work. I get it if you're like, ew, that looks disgusting. But to me, this tastes amazing because I know how nourishing it is to my body. I've got celery, carrots, kale, kombu seaweed, broth, and quinoa with a little bit of lime on top. That's literally all it is. If you're interested in looking at like what I eat in a day, I made a video a couple weeks ago of just like clean, healthy food that's gonna make you have energy so that you can clean your house and then you can keep up with your children and all the mess that comes with them. So, cheers. We have now moved to the master bedroom while the vacuum is charging. I will do this really quickly. It's not that bad, but it needs a little bit of tweaking. So, let's go.
This is our boys' room, one of my favorite rooms in the house because it's just filled with books and we always have a lot of fun adventures in here under our forts. It's also very easy to clean because there's only books and blankets to clean. Our 10-month-old still sleeps in this porta crib. Actually, Riker slept in this porta crib till he was 2 years old because it's all we had, especially with all the traveling that we were doing. It's just easy, it's minimal, and regardless of what people think, it works for us. I grew up sharing a bedroom with my siblings. I don't remember what bed I slept in, neither will they, so this is just a really sweet space for them.
Okay, so we are clean. Usually my bathroom stays really clean because it's small. We don't have anything in here. This is literally our bathroom cabinet. We've got Tate's stuff here, my stuff here, and then our laundry here. And there we store toilet paper. We've got our towels down here. And this is my makeup drawer. Literally, this is just my makeup. Extra toothbrushes, toothpaste because we travel so much. Hair, my dry brush for the morning. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. And then this is just a bunch of like, probably need to declutter this. It's pretty minimal. So our bathroom is normally the easiest place for me to stay clean and tidy. So it took me like 2 minutes. All I have left is vacuuming, a little bit of laundry, and then another snack because your girl has worked. I've literally run up and down my stairs like a million times. I'm hungry. So I'm gonna finish this so that I can eat again and move on to my next thing for the day. organized house does for me, and I'm sure it does it for you. If you're watching a video like this, you probably love cleaning and organizing. So thank you for watching. I thought it'd be interesting to show you how 4 of us live in a very small space, and cleanliness really makes it work. Organization makes it work. Minimalism makes it work. I'm sure you will see a bunch more minimalistic videos on my page, along with healthy, non-toxic living. Thank you for watching, and I sincerely appreciate that. When I say that, I mean it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Ranch Basics. They send you a full concentrate. So they send you this whole bottle, then they give you this bottle for an all-purpose spray, this bottle for streak-free cleaner, and this bottle for your bathroom. I like the simplicity of this, I like the minimalist theory of this, I like how it saves me money, and I love that it's non-toxic. Only use these. If I haven't said that before, I only use Ranch Basics. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I just love this product so much that I'm willing to give them this much time on my video.